Hello, Palsy here. In addition to my little tidbits on Botox the other day, I would like to go over another, maybe a tip. If you are using your insurance with the physician that is going to inject you with Botox, I would advise that to make sure that they will bill this under a non-cosmetic procedure. This should really help in general with reimbursement from your insurance. And I know a lot of people, I've seen practitioners that don't bill insurances. I think this is something that you have to consider, obviously. And if you find somebody that does bill insurance, I think it's also just to make sure, this is a conversation I would have with them, and to make sure that they are billing under a code that the insurance is taking. Since, again, Bell's palsy and facial palsy is not, and synkinesis are not just cosmetic, they are a communication disorder. It's there is nothing about vanity in getting injection with Botox when you suffer from this, and this is something I wish insurance would understand better. Sadly, it's not the case, but it is, I think, an important thing to know if you are receiving Botox. So good luck to you, and I'll see you later. Bye.